What if you could turn a spare room, garage, or tiny workshop into a fully functioning mini factory, producing real products for real customers with machines you can import for a few hundred to a few $1,000s? Before anything great is built, there's always a smaller beginning. And today, that beginning might be sitting right inside your own home. In 2026, you don't need a factory, you don't need a warehouse, and you definitely don't need a massive workforce. What you need is one compact machine, the right product, and the courage to get started. Today, we're exploring 20 compact machines you can import to start a home-based factory in 2026. And trust me, some of these machines are so profitable they can replace your 9-to-5. And let me say this now, if you're building a business or building your future, remember that your body is the first machine you depend on. MEN. Balance Pro was formulated to help men boost natural energy, support healthy hormone balance, and stay mentally strong enough to pursue their goals. A strong business begins with a strong mind and body. Now let's explore the machines. A strap weaving machine is a great starting point. These machines cost between $2,000 and $5,000, and companies like Ningbo Credit Ocean Machinery Co. Limited manufacture reliable compact units. They allow you to make durable webbing for bags, outdoor gear, pet accessories, product straps, and industrial tie-downs, all with high customization and excellent margins. A CNC wood lathe brings woodworking to a professional level without requiring a workshop. These machines run from $3,000 to $10,000, and EagleTech CNC is a trusted manufacturer. With one, you can craft wooden bowls, furniture legs, toys, decor pieces, and custom art at scale. A 3D crystal laser engraving machine turns ordinary glass blocks into personalized keepsakes. Prices range from $1,800 to $6,000, and Perfect Laser in Wuhan is a respected producer. These products are wildly popular for weddings, anniversaries, memorials, and corporate gifts. An embroidery machine lets you enter the booming custom apparel industry. Expect to spend $1,200 to $8,000 with Balma Embroidery Machine Co., Limited, known for high-quality equipment. From hats to shirts to patches, you can turn small custom jobs into a high-profit microfactory. A pasta-making machine costs between $900 and $3,500. Zhengzhou Really Imp and EXP Company Limited manufactures reliable compact pasta equipment. You can produce fettuccine, ravioli, gourmet pasta boxes, or specialty noodles for local markets and restaurants. A sponge and scrubber making machine is one of the simplest home-based manufacturing setups. Machines cost $1,500 to $4,000, and companies like Zhengzhou YZ Machinery supply solid models. Cleaning products never stop selling, and eco-friendly variants dominate online marketplaces. A presswood pallet machine allows you to transform sawdust into durable molded pallets. Units cost from $7,000 to $20,000, and Thoyu Machinery is a trusted manufacturer. These eco-friendly pallets are in high demand with logistics companies seeking waste-reducing alternatives. A fiber laser rust removal machine uses light to strip rust instantly. Prices range from $2,500 to $9,000, and Wuhan Rakis Laser Technologies is a top manufacturer. You can start a mobile rust cleaning service for automotive shops, metalworks, and construction firms. A tortilla-making machine costs between $1,000 and $4,500, with Zhengzhou Taizi Food Machinery producing reliable compact models. Fresh tortillas sell extremely well, and unique flavors or organic blends can take your business even further. A sock knitting machine is perfect for producing custom socks at home. Machines cost around $2,800 to $6,500, and Lonati China in Ningbo is a widely recognized brand. The market for themed socks and limited prints is huge and continues to grow. A barbed wire making machine costs roughly $1,500 to $3,800, and Hebei Uke metal wire mesh machinery makes dependable equipment. Farmers, ranchers, and security contractors rely on local suppliers, creating steady repeat business. A paper plate making machine costs between $1,000 and $3,000. Zhengzhou Burst Machinery Co. Limited produces popular small-scale models. Paper plates are essential for events, restaurants, and food vendors, making it easy to secure bulk orders. A powder packing machine ranges from $1,200 to $5,500. Shanghai Dahi packaging machinery produces high-precision powder filling systems used for spices, coffee, detergents, and protein powders. You can launch your own product line or offer contract packaging services. A tabletop oil press costs between $150 and $1,500, depending on size. Henan Lewin Industrial Co. Limited manufactures well-built presses that can extract natural oils from nuts and seeds. Selling flavored or cold-pressed oils can be highly profitable. A laser jewelry welding machine typically costs $2,000 to $6,000. Hans Goldensky Laser System Co. Limited produces compact welders used for high-precision jewelry repair and custom metalwork. Offering same-day repairs can generate excellent income. A sublimation printing setup costs between $600 and $2,500. ASUN Digital Technology provides printers and heat presses that allow you to make custom merchandise including shirts, mugs, and phone cases. Personalized products remain some of the highest margin items online. A small semi-automatic bottle molding machine usually runs $3,500 to $8,500. Zhangjiagang Yicheng Machinery produces durable PET bottle blow molding units. This allows you to supply custom bottle shapes to cosmetic brands, beverage companies, and homemade product lines. A flexible 3D printer costs $300 to $1,500. Creality 3D is one of the most widely trusted manufacturers. These printers allow you to make flexible items for cosplay, sports, accessories, and custom gadgets. A desktop vacuum former costs between $300 and $1,000. Dongguan Xinbao thermoforming equipment manufactures compact models ideal for making molds, packaging trays, and custom product shells for small businesses. A chalk-making machine costs $800 to $2,200, with Gongyi Shaoyi Mingyang Machinery Plant offering reliable systems. Schools, art stores, and educational suppliers buy chalk in bulk, making it a stable business with low raw material costs. A napkin printing machine serves restaurants, caterers, and event planners. These often cost between $1,500 and $6,000, with Ruyan Tianxi packing machinery providing reliable equipment. Custom napkins add branding and elegance to professional food service. A hotel slipper making machine costs between $2,000 and $6,000. Wenzhou Hongyin Machinery specializes in compact slipper production units. Hotels, spas, and resorts always need soft disposable slippers for guests. Custom soap making can be done with equipment costing $500 to $3,000 depending on automation. Guangzhou Hone Machinery provides small-scale production lines. Handmade and natural soaps are consistently strong sellers online. Producing envelopes requires a machine costing $800 to $3,000. Ruyan Lisheng Printing and Packaging Machinery manufactures dependable units. Businesses, schools, and event planners always need branded envelopes in bulk. A 3D clay printer typically costs $900 to $4,000. Cerambot, a popular manufacturer, produces printers used in modern ceramics and art studios. You can create mugs, vases, sculptures, and decorative art pieces efficiently. Paper straw making machines range between $5,000 and $12,000. Wenzhou Jinshi Machinery provides reliable equipment. As regulations shift away from plastic, eco-friendly paper straws are in constant demand. A cookie portioning machine costs between $1,200 and $3,000. Henan Nutar Foods Machinery manufactures compact portioning devices that help bakeries and cafes produce consistent cookies quickly. Cotton pad production units cost about $2,500 to $7,000. Guangzhou Ailipu Machinery offers small cotton processing and cutting machines. The beauty and skincare industry buys cotton pads in massive quantities. A jelly candy machine ranges from $3,000 to $15,000. Shanghai Target Industry Co. Limited produces reliable candy equipment suitable for home factories, festivals, and custom candy brands. A popsicle making machine usually costs $1,200 to $6,000. Zhengzhou Great Machinery provides freezer molds and popsicle forming units that allow you to create gourmet, fruit-based, or specialty popsicles consumers love. Now, before we wrap up, I want to talk directly to the men working long hours, building businesses, and pushing themselves daily. Your energy, your focus, your drive, that's the real engine behind everything you're building. If you've been feeling drained, foggy, or not quite yourself, it's not your ambition that's failing. It's your internal balance. That's exactly why MEN Balance Pro was created. It supports natural hormone balance, boosts clean daily energy, sharpens focus, stabilizes mood, and helps prevent burnout. If you're building a business or building your future, don't let low energy slow you down. Fuel the machine that matters most, yourself. Click to the link above the description and order your MEN Balance Pro. As you've seen, one small machine can transform a corner of your home into a profitable production hub. If you want part 2 or want me to break down the exact suppliers, margins, and startup strategies for each machine, tell me in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights that help you build your business, your confidence, and your future. Final words. This is Industrium Secrets, revealing the machines that build the world and helping you build your own. Do you know about 1,000 self-made millionaires are created every day in the United States alone? What if it only required courage, one smart machine, and the right information? This is where we come in. Industrium Secrets is the home of the world's most powerful ideas for factory innovation, small manufacturing, and homegrown production empires. Our mission is to help ordinary people turn small ideas into powerful businesses, the kind that change their lives, their families, and their future. What if the next breakthrough didn't require millions of dollars, a big warehouse, or a team of engineers? Every day, we show you real machines from real factories that real people are using to build unstoppable income streams. We also give you practical tips and best practices on finance, management, and trends. We take you inside the workshops where creativity meets engineering, inside the small-scale factories where one person with a single machine is producing thousands of units a day, inside the quiet garages that grew into global brands. Because the truth is simple, we're entering a new era, the era of personal industry, the era where the factory is you. Whether it's metal, food, plastics, textiles, technology, or small manufacturing. Whether you want to start from home or scale to a full production plant, we give you the machines, the ideas, the suppliers, the costs, the business strategies, and the hidden shortcuts that big manufacturers never want you to know. This channel is not entertainment. It's a blueprint, a roadmap, a spark for the person who knows they were meant for more. If you're tired of watching opportunities pass by, if you're ready to build something real, if you want to be part of the next wave of small industry entrepreneurs who will own the future, then Industrium Secrets is where your journey begins. Subscribe now, because your first $1 million idea is already waiting for you, and the world needs what you're about to build.